This video will show you how to install your NeverFurl kit. Start by placing the 4 bushings onto your pole. Be sure to point the tab ends toward the ends of your pole. Next, measure 1/4 inch from the bottom of your ornament or pole end. Set the top of your bushing at that mark and measure 1.5 inches from the bottom of the bushing to position the collar correctly. Tighten the set screw on the collar with the included Allen wrench. Place the clip through the grommet as shown. Repeat this process with the other grommet. Gently pull the bottom bushing to make the flag taut. While holding the flag taut, measure 1.5 inches from the bushing to secure the inside collar. If you have any questions, call American Flags Express at 262-783-4800.